Have you ever locked eyes with a woman for a split second and felt like she instantly uncovered every vulnerability you've buried deep inside? It's no spell, it's no gut feeling, it's raw female psychology at work. And right now, I'm exposing truths that most women guard fiercely and won't voice aloud. They aren't chasing flawlessness. They seek the guy capable of embracing the shadowed sides they mask from the world. Grasp these concealed drives, and the dynamic flips. You no longer pursue, they begin pursuing you. Many guys assume building appeal means staying kind, reliable, courteous, accommodating, essentially prioritizing her ease above all. But the reality she keeps silent: females aren't drawn to ease. They're pulled toward the male who stirs their inner feelings profoundly, not via harm, not through tricks, but by awakening those buried urges. The urges she conceals since culture labels them improper, chaotic, or excessive. Yet they linger powerfully, granting savvy men a clear edge. She rejects the guy who idolizes her from afar. She yearns for the one who truly comprehends her core. Huge distinction there. Idolization leaves her feeling appreciated on the surface. Comprehension renders her vulnerable, truly noticed, possessed. And that sensation strikes deeper than any praise, even if she denies it. Today, I'm unveiling the first of 4 hidden cravings women harbor. Hidden not in a vulgar sense, but primal, unrestrained, the actions they desire from you, yet fear requesting, worried you'll criticize or grasp the influence you'd wield over the connection. The initial one hits hard. Females inwardly desire a male who commands direction confidently, without second-guessing or excuses. Culture drills into men to dial back intensity, lower your tone, proceed cautiously, stay tender, overly considerate. Avoid firmness, steer clear of bold choices. We've been taught that asserting guidance risks harm, that true male traits need tempering. Yet the irony, as society pushes you to contract, her core nature urges your expansion. She seeks the guy who spots the route ahead and advances boldly, no approval needed. His choices carry weight like an anchor, firm, reliable, inevitable. Not domineering, not forceful, simply rooted, sturdy, assured. Assuming command, picking the venue decisively without endless queries. Steering her gently through crowds by her waist or declaring, "I've got this," connects to her need for clear guidance. Her feelings fluctuate wildly, so she hungers for steadiness in direction. Your decisiveness soothes her core. It grounds her, it delivers security words fail to describe. And the hidden layer she avoids confessing because it feels like handing over control, exposing fragility. Thus she probes you. Withdraws slightly, pauses, acts indifferent. Each probe poses, "Can you truly guide me?" Each doubt opens a gate for your assured advance. Thus, second craving, your layered unpredictability. Not erratic, but revealing depth, sensing care yet thrill of uncertainty. Warmth nearby, excitement from autonomy. Steadiness for comfort, distance for ignition. Master this, you become unforgettable. Amid validation seekers, you emerge capable of departure-centered return with purpose. And the unspoken reality-charged space awakens her. Draws from over-analysis into now. Probes your essence, convictions, concealed depths under composure. Females intrigue over males guarding feelings access. Earning your depths makes her feel profoundly selected soul level. Desires core psychology, limited access builds worth self-valuing men gain her valuation. Third hidden craving. A male facing her shadows unflinchingly. Deeper than realized. Every female, regardless appearance or assurance, holds buried doubts, wounds raw drives, fearing exposure. Not from judgment, fear, but abandonment. She rejects loving only her bright facets. Seeks one resilient before her self-doubts remaining firm. No rescue, no repair, just maintaining stance honoring both. Guys flee female intensity viewing threat. Silence, withdrawal, avoidance, or hasty soothing from unease, intolerance. Yet she craves the male unshaken by overwhelm. No therapy role, no emotion absorption. Simply grounded gaze conveying your depths. Don't scare me. Unadmitted truth. Trust flows only to males surpassing her feeling tempests. Not dominantly, but in awareness, endurance, self-mastery. Emotional probes seek one truth. Does your core endure? Her waves surge, she needs rock, not echo. Chaos response erodes honor. Retreat breeds desertion sense. Composed presence, voice gaze, aura forges her inner anchor, bodily remembered. Revisited in self-doubt deepens bond unconsciously. Third craving, your quiet resilience. Not performative bravado, but refusal to enter her temps. Fourth craving, your assured masculinity. Quiet-rooted depth allowing her breath release. Safety births unseen self-version. Vulnerability as offering trust embodied rare emotional yield. Final insight, her deepened feminine amplifies your masculine sense. Strengthening attraction loop, softens via your firmness, warms via stability, expresses via your holding. Such polarity, she not merely desires, bonds profoundly. Now, personal question, which of these 4 concealed cravings have you overlooked most in your connections? Drop it below in comments. If this shifted your perspective, hit like, subscribe for more on silent power, and pass this to a brother needing the wake up.